For today's video, I will be going over my recent clothing pickups, but before I show you any of the things I picked up, I just want to say I am running a giveaway right now for this Supreme water bottle, and it's really easy to enter the giveaway. All you have to do is go to the video about the giveaway, which I will put a link to in the description. All the rules to enter the giveaway are in that video, and you have to enter through that video, so just make sure you go check that video out if you want to enter the giveaway. And now that that's out of the way, let's see what I picked up. So the first clothing item I picked up was the cheapest one, but it's still really cool, and it's from the brand Half Evil. If you don't know about it, it's a smaller streetwear brand. It's not as big as like Palace or Supreme, but there's still some decent hype to it. Some of the pieces do resell. Like I bought one of these tees a few weeks ago, and I ended up making quite a bit of money on it. So it does have some resale value, and it's a little bit more low-key, so I highly suggest you all check them out. And then this is the shirt that they're most known for. It's their 333 tee, and they sell it for $3.33. So you can't really go wrong with that. It's super cheap for a tee, and it looks pretty decent. So on the tag has Half Evil and then 333. Here's the graphic for it. I'm not gonna take this out of the bag just because I'll probably end up reselling it, but I will throw up a screenshot of what the shirt actually looks like. It's pretty cool. I'll just give you a close-up of it. It's like fluorescent. There's like a bunch of different colors on it, so it's a pretty cool tee. I'll just throw up a picture of it in case you want to see it, but that's it for the first pickup. This was super cheap. It was like $10 ship. Decided couldn't go wrong with it, and if I can't sell it, this is my size, so I can wear it in the future if I want to. But that's my first pickup. Now on to the next one. Next shirt I picked up is from FTP, and there's what FTP stands for if you don't know. And this is their archive tee. I'll throw up a picture of this as well. I've already sold this, so I don't want to take it out of the plastic for the person that bought it, but there's a bunch of logos on the front of the tee. It's actually really cool, just something I would never wear. And then it also came with this poster, which is really cool, so I'll try and find a picture of that, but I'm pretty sure it's just the same graphic as what's on the shirt. But this is a pretty cool tee, kind of cool, but something I would never wear, so I just decided to sell it. So this is the first FTP item. I did pick up a second one, which I'll show you right now. And my next pickup is also from FTP, but this time it's a collab with the brand Lakai. And I think that's how you say it. I'm not too sure though. But if you didn't know, Lakai is a skateboard brand, and they sell all sorts of skate stuff. The main selling thing for this collab was the shoes, but I decided not to go for it. I just went for the hat and the shirt just because those were the two pieces that I liked the best. But I also did buy this sticker pack, and it has like 5 or 6 stickers in here. And then these two came free with the order, so just a normal Lakai one, and then the collab sticker with both brands on it. And then I did pick up a hat, which has the logo on it. It's pretty simple, nothing on the back. But this was really cheap for a beanie. It was like $18. Usually like the streetwear brand beanies are like $30 or $40. So FTP is pretty affordable compared to some of the other brands. They have cheaper prices, which I think that's pretty cool. Nice that a brand doesn't overcharge for their stuff. So I'll probably sell this once the winter comes around. Usually hats go up in value around that time, so that'll be a nice little hold. And then the main item I got was the FTP Lakai shirt, and then I got it in black. It also came in white, and I'm not gonna remove this from the plastic either just because I'll probably end up trying to resell it. But if I don't, I can always wear this. I actually like how this looks. So I'll throw up a picture of this in case you wanna see the full shirt. It's pretty simple. I think the only branding is the Lakai logo on the front, but I can't remember if there's something on the back. Like I can't see it through the plastic, so I'll have to try and find a picture and see if there was a back graphic for it. But that's the other FTP item I picked up. So that's it for the FTP items I picked up. Now onto the last item I picked up, and that is my favorite one, so let's get right into it. And here's the last item I picked up from my clothing haul. It is a Kith tee with like a box logo thing on the front, and detail on the box logo is actually pretty crazy. It's like a mosaic pattern. I think that's what the tee was called, but I don't think Kith actually referred to this as a box logo. The box logos for Kith are a little bit different. They have a little different font. This is what they look like. It's the same font as this, but this has like a little bit different font, so I don't think they classified this as a BOGO, but it's still really cool. The little tile patterns on it, really nice details. Really like this tee a lot. This one I did open because I will be keeping this one. I won't be selling it, and it's actually really cool. It's one of my favorite tees that I own now. It's like this cream color. I don't really know how well you'll be able to see it on camera just because the lighting in my basement's not really too good. Overall, this is a really nice tee. Can't wait to wear it. This will go really good in the summer with some shorts and probably some Birkenstocks because that's all I've worn this summer so far. Overall, really happy with this. I got this on drop day, and I think resale on it's like $100 or so, and I paid like 65 or 75, I can't remember. So if I do decide to sell it, I guess I could if I want to, but I will be keeping this. This is definitely one of my favorite tees I own. That is it for all my clothing pickups. Now on to the outro of the video. So that wraps up all the clothing pickups for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like on this video, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.